Kale and potato soup with chicken sausage in the 6-quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven. Start by adding olive oil and heat. Dice the chicken sausage on a flexible cutting mat. Add in diced onions, diced carrots, and the sausage, and heat. Dice potatoes on the flexible cutting mat. Slide them right into the Dutch oven. Add in 8 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of water. There go the potatoes right in. It's ready to come to a boil now. Once it comes to a boil, cover and allow it to boil for about 15 minutes. Then add in 8 cups of chopped kale. Boil again for an additional 5 to 8 minutes, and you're done. Mine needed a little bit more flavoring, so I added in a capful of Greek seasoning.